Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to fix the managed by your organization from Chrome browser. Right-click Start, click Run. App data %, click OK. Click App Data, click Local. Delete Google folder. Second step, type regedit in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click Yes to continue. Click and expand HKey local machine. Click and expand software. Click and expand policies. Click and expand Google. Delete Chrome key. Third step, open File Explorer. Click File, change folder and search options. Click View tab, check Show Hidden Files folder and drives. Click this PC, C drive, Windows. Open System32 folder. Delete Group Policy and Group Policy Users folders. Restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.